How to add a family member on Life360 application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, let's see how can we add a family member to Life360. First of all, launch your Life360 application on the mobile. Make sure you have your circle selected. For this, you have to tap on the circle where you want to add the family member. Once you tap on the circle whereby you want to add a family member, you should see an option which says add a new member or you have a plus icon. As you can see on the screen under people, I have an option to add a member on the circle. Tapping on it should give you a code which you need to send to the family members. As you can see on the screen, there is an option called send code. Tap on it and then it will give you an option to copy the code. Now you can send this code to the family member by any means, and once they tap on join a circle and give the invitation code, they should be added into the circle. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.